everyone. Welcome along to Gold Zone. We're in the gym right now. This is why you can't see me and my face. Damn. Let's get the music going on though. Let's get the music going on before we get started, man. Let's start the intro. Ooh, I wonder if it's still playing. Let's see if the music is playing though. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. See if the make sure the everything is working. Let's see. Let's see. It's not playing. Yeah, that's fine anyway. That's alright. That's alright. Fine. Let me let me go back on it and pause it because it's not gonna work while I'm on the MetaTrader app. Welcome along to Gold Zone. It's another Monday, man. It's another week. It's another strong week on the gold charts. We are here, man. We are here. We're currently doing the dual screen at the moment. Charts are currently sitting at 0.09% on the Monday. I mean, it's 12:47 here in the UK. It's currently set coming up to 8 p.m. Eastern in the USA. Obviously, the camera will be sorted. You will be able to see my face. See later on today as well. I mean, it's 12:47. We're currently sitting at 2885 going into the second hour. I mean, look, we're approaching the third hour. Sorry, we're approaching the third hour on the. Let me just change the chart because I'm actually on the wrong chart in this one. So let me just change the chart. This one. Let me just. How do I change? Okay, there we go. That's how you change it. Okay, cool. Let's change it to the hour chart. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now we're in. So we're currently at 2884. I mean, this week. See, if we actually just look at the week so far, let me just. So this is what happened last week, right? Let's just switch to the daily charts. So if we get the started from today's the 17th, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday was a strong day. Last week, Monday was a fantastic day for the buyers. Obviously, the sellers took back control in the day, and obviously, sellers lost control with that consolidation. But the Thursday was a big day. The Thursday was a big push into the second to last day, and obviously, the sellers took control that last week, just pushing that price back down. I mean, it was kissing that 3K mark, but by the summertime, look, by the summertime, I'm, I'm, I'm looking at least over 3,000. I mean, currently, you can see my positions at the moment. Now, look, I'm not here to share my positions right here because, you know, I don't really talk about when I enter, when I exit, but I might even have to remove them from here. I might remove them from here for today. However, however, this is just a little breakdown on what I do during these my positions during these streams. But anyway, currently sitting at 2884 at 0.06%. I mean, today I'm in the gym right now, virtually, not in the office, not in the studio. That's why you can't see my face. But look, this is gonna be a fantastic another week, man. So make sure you're doing your research. You know, this week we've got some big things lined up, massive things lined up, man. I mean, the chart is also a massive opportunity right here, and that's what we're getting into this week. I mean, look, even though it's a Sunday evening in America, even though it's a Monday, early Monday morning in the UK, in Europe, We're here focusing on XAU because gold is the way. XAU to the moon, man. If you haven't already, uh, this is the first time they've ever joined Gold Zone. Just to let you know, Gold Zone is presented by Springstar World as well, where you can look into getting yourself a little portable sauna as well as a portable solar charger for your home and for the road. So go into my link. Should be in the description for all of that information as well. So please make sure to have a look and check it out as soon as possible. By the way, make sure to subscribe, follow the videos, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. If you're new to the channel, go and subscribe. We're here trying to take XAE to the moon because look, gold has been here for multiple generations. So at least currently at the prices that I feel like this is the best time to get involved. You know, obviously before you get involved, make sure to contact your financial advisor as they will give you all the advice and support that you need to find success in your gold journey. This is Gold Zone presented by Springstar World. Welcome along to the journey this fantastic Monday, this fantastic Sunday evening in the United States, and anyone else tuning in around the world. Welcome along. If this is your first time, hello, my friends. And we're currently getting into the markets. Currently, I'm on a 15-minute chart, but let's just focus on the top screen on the 15-minute chart. Okay. Currently sitting at 2884. The sellers just showing a little bit more pressure to the buyers over the past 15 minutes. I mean, look, there's a lot of consolidation happening in the 15-minute chart, and if you look down at the 1 hour chart, you can see the heavy consolidation happening right before our eyes. I mean, look, over the next, as it is a Monday, you know, there isn't a lot of juice happening, a lot of juice being poured on the charts right now. However, look, there's always them early opportunities. Like last Monday, it was showing so much volatility early on. So you always have to tune and stay alert. That's one of the most important tips here on Gold Zone, man. Staying alert, staying active, and being aware of your surroundings. And right now, the surroundings are telling us that, look, the buyers aren't really showing too much energy early on. Obviously, it's still waking up after the weekend. You know, how's your weekend, guys, as well, by the way? Hopefully you had a fantastic weekend, Saturday and Sunday, man. Look, time you might have relaxed with the family, you might have gone out partying, you might have gone on a little cruise. However, we're back here on a Monday, getting ready for another fantastic week of gold, US dollar on Gold Zone. Price isn't. We're gonna actually focus more on the 50-minute chart. So we're gonna just remove the 1 hour chart at the moment. So let's just move that now. So currently we're on the 50-minute chart. Gold USD 284. There isn't, like I said, there isn't as much volume as it was when it first opened. It's just showing a little bit of respite. I mean, on the Friday, it was a lot of energy from the sellers being shown, and that's where it's at right now. I mean, look, the markets are just currently recovering. The buyers are just currently recovering of what just occurred. Obviously, on Fridays, you already know that it's normally a sell-off. A lot of people, a lot of investors, whatnot, closing their positions after a fantastic week. But now, we enter the new week. We'll see how far it goes. I mean, look, this is the chilled Gold Zone. I mean, Monday mornings, you know, at midnight, a little bit more of a chilled Gold Zone today. I mean, I believe the main focus point is knowing where your targets are this week. Are you looking to actually enter any positions? This is a good time just to prepare for what can come in the future. I mean, look, well, there's not much movement happening at this moment of time. Currently sitting at 2884, pricing. If we switch it to the hour chart, I mean, look how low. Look how low. See where Thursday ended, and look how it started. How Friday started, and look where the weekend has left us. Left us here. I mean, look, that's still a lot of real estate up there. Yeah, still a lot of real estate up there. It's gonna be still a lot of. It's gonna take a lot of effort for the buyers to get price back up to the 92938. I mean, but this is where the buyers can do it. I mean, they've shown it time and time again, putting prices back up to where it belongs. Not too low. However, over the past couple of days, a lot of fundamental news has been happening over the past couple of days, and that's what's been causing a little bit of volatility in the charts as well. You can check up on the news as well. Obviously, later on today at 2 p.m. UK time, we will discuss the news and what's going to be occurring this week. I mean, keep you updated on what's been happening. We're going to also react to a few videos as well. A few videos that also affect the gold charts as well. So we're going to do a little bit of reaction videos in the daytime as well. So keep it tuned in, man. Keep it locked in with Gold Zone. We're here all week, and that's what it is. Let's just make sure the sound is working right here. Just see. 2 minutes. Just make sure I'm still live, because that's the most important thing. Making sure I'm still live on the channel. Okay, so there we go. Obviously, on this phone, I've got the Samsung A15. My apologies for not being in the landscape mode. I mean, I've tried. Okay, there we go. Okay, cool. Now it should work. Let's see. There we go. That should be better. But let me just switch it back up here for now. But yeah, currently sitting on the hour chart. I mean, as you can see here, the buyers have took control early on. However, they started to lose a little bit of their dominance. The highest they were able to bring it to was 2887. I mean, now the sellers got back into it, tried to push a little bit of the price down back to 2883. So from there, from there, see. So yeah, let's just film it. Okay, cool. Now let's go back to the dual screen. Let's add it at the 15-minute window. Okay, cool. So now we're on the 15-minute chart. Let me just. Okay, cool. Now that could be better for you guys tuning in. We're on the landscape mode on MetaTrader now. We've got the 50-minute chart on the right hand side. We have the 1 hour chart. We've got the hour chart right next to the on the left, and then we have the 15-minute chart right next on the right hand side. So yeah, great for the viewers right here. So yeah, man. And if you've got any views, any opinions, any thoughts, any future plans on what you're planning to do in the XAU chart, don't hide away, man. Get involved. Get in the chat. I want to keep it as interactive as possible because, you know, that's what we're doing. And look, currently the buyers are starting to make it as interactive as possible with currently the price pushing up. Buyers really starting to show their dominance on this early Monday in the UK. I mean, buyers starting to take control here, taking it to 2885. I mean, if you can't hear the music in the background, it's just the gym. It's just a gym session. However, look, and just to be aware, we are going to get the cameras. You're going to be able to see my face later on today, and should be able to be. In fact, I might be able to even switch it on right now as well, so you can see me. Let's just see if I can do that at the moment. Let me just play around with this. But before we go ahead and do this, buyers are starting to take on the pressure early on with the 2885 price, man. If you actually look straight to the hour chart, buyers are really showing that energy, that early on push. I mean, the key area here is, can they hold on to these prices that they're getting at? I mean, look, the sellers of the past 15 minutes were able to take a little bit of dominance off the buyers, but now the buyers are back in, showing that volatility, showing that strength early on here on the Gold Zone channel. I mean, look, we're here bringing you breathtaking moments here on the chart that you cannot afford to miss if you're looking into the gold, USD, future, and the growth of gold in general. Currently sitting at 2885. Sure, let me just make sure of the music, because the music here, and I'm streaming on YouTube as well, so I'm not trying to get copyrighted at any moment. So let's see. Okay, cool. The music is not interfering right now, but we're good. But you know what? Who's interfering here on the chart are the buyers. The buyers taking over. Buyers showing that push, bringing the price back up to where they left it last time. However, the sellers are starting to push back. The buyers are starting to lose a little bit of steam here early on the 15-minute chart. We're entered another hour of the gold markets being on this Monday morning. However, the key thing is where the buyers are about to finish on this chart, man. Looking real strong here. Looking real strong early on, just showing that little bit of energy, showing that little bit of juice. I mean, look, as well as the chart, it's still consolidation. They're trying to push it out of the consolidation zone and into the growth zone where we see gold really show its force here. So we see the buyers really show its strength and energy out here on the chart, man. Look, if this is the first time on Gold Zone, please make sure to give this video a like, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're taking this channel places. I mean, thank you for all the viewers right now. We're currently sitting on 8,000 viewers. 8,000 viewers right now. Fantastic. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone, for taking it there, and showing real support in your future, in our future together. Because Gold Zone is going places. We're going big, man. 2886, where the buyers are taking it, where the buyers are starting to take control here on trying to step into the growth zone. I mean, look, if we look earlier on the 15-minute chart, we could clearly see where prices started on the Sunday. However, look, buyers are still pushing the price back up to where they left it earlier on in the session. I mean, now this is what we call it 2886, 2886. It goes, can it push up to 2887? Can it push up to 2887? Can it do it? Can it do it? I mean, look, it's showing that strength, it's showing that power. What is it going to take to take it to that 2887 mark? I mean, it's so close to that moment. It's so close to that moment. I mean, look, we're here. We're here on Gold Zone, on Twitch, on Rumble, on YouTube. Can Gold go up to 2887 live? Can it go up to that moment? I mean, it's only a matter of time, right? It's only a matter of time where we take these prices back up to where it's gone. And then yes, it has. It's touched the 287 mark on the channel. I mean, look, it was just before the prices have gone up. Now, can it really touch that 288 mark? I mean, in this 15-minute window, if it can, it can. And can it touch that 288 mark? Okay, it's starting to. It's currently at a 287. It's starting to push a little bit back down to 286. However, the key factor is, can the buyers really push on early on and let the sellers fade away as they normally do here this year? Because January and February was a fantastic moment for the buyers, man. Fantastic moments for the buyers. But yes, it has touched the 288 mark here on Gold Zone, man. Thank you a lot for everyone tuning in right now, man. It's a pleasure. But price currently sitting at 2887, back down. Okay, early on into the moments, that's where the price goes on. I mean, at the end of the day, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? What is the main mission here? What is the vision? What is your mission? What is your vision? Write that down, man. Get involved. Write that down. Share it to the group. What is your vision? What is your mission here on Gold Zone? What are you getting? What do you want out of this moment here? Because look, currently the buyers are starting to push that price up. That's their vision. That's their mission here on this channel, man. What is your personal mission? What is your personal vision? Make sure to leave some comments, and if it's private, write it down on a notebook and share it to yourself. Share it to yourselves as well, because part of that vision has to be getting involved in here, obviously getting involved in the charts, getting involved in the community that we want to build here on Gold Zone, on this channel, on the Chase Lilo channel as well. I mean, look, the buyers have really shown within these past 8 minutes what they're made of. I mean, look, don't get it wrong, don't get it twisted here. When it comes to the XAU USD, you gotta make sure that you're aware and alert, like I said earlier. And currently, right now, the buyers are staying alert here, pushing that price back up to the 288 mark, early on at the 2888 mark. Price currently in. Now, look, at the end of the day, this channel, well, I'm not here to give out signals. I'm not here to give out the answers. I'm not here to share my trading performance. Currently, you're seeing my positions. Obviously, this will not be for the entire future, right? This will not be for the future. However, this is just an example of what I'm doing. Like, this is just an example, right? Currently pricing at 288 mark, pushing up. I mean, it's been kissing that price mark. It's been kissing it. I mean, look, what do the buyers have to do to push it right back up? I mean, the sellers are nowhere to be seen right now on this 15-minute chart. I mean, at the end of the day, we talk about potential here. We want to talk about growth here. We talk about what it takes to be a champion on these charts. Wow. While it takes focus, it takes dedication. Even though the buyers are starting to losing a bit of pressure right in the final 5-6 minutes of this 15-minute window. I mean, if we're looking at the hour chart is still looking fairly strong. However, we can see the true breakdown that's happening on the channel early on this session. I mean, we're here until 3 a.m. So at the end of the day, taking action on this channel at this time is so grateful to me. But look at the sellers starting to push the price back down. I mean, the buyers weren't able to show that extra push. I mean, they started to lose a little bit of steam at the same prices as before, man. I mean, look, if we just jump on the analysis, right, onto the 15-minute chart we focus on, we can just get oh, if we can get the 15-minute chart back on, okay, there we go. So look, the pricing, it started off here at the 287 mark, and then obviously the buyers took a little bit of control earlier, and however they weren't able to hold that control, while the sellers finished it off strong at the lower price, but still currently sitting at the 287. I mean, anytime it touches that 287 mark, so far today, the 288, sorry, the 288, I'll say 287 mark, sorry, the buyers tend to lose a little bit of steam, a little bit of power on this 15-minute window. And going into the next window, we're about 3 minutes left to the next window. I mean, it's going to be a big. This the next candlestick is a big one because I mean this is where we can see whether the sellers can bring that price right back down to them low prices, them lower, or the buyers can push on. However, in the last 3 minutes, the buyers are starting to push on, starting to finish it stronger. Currently sitting at 288. I mean, trying to get it to the 2889 mark. And if we can see here, if we can get this down, if it can get to the 2889 mark, if we can get to the 2889 mark, the key here would be, okay, where can it go next, right? Where can it go next? Because anything is possible here on these charts. I mean, look, we can currently see where buyers on the hour chart, if we focus on that, where it ended, and the buyers have enough power to to grow it to that level here. And we're into the last 2 minutes of the 15-minute window, currently sitting at 2889 on the chart. I mean, goodness me, this is what it's made of, right? This is what we're made of here on the Gold Zone channel, on the Chase Lalo channel. And that's really what it is, man, right now. Welcome to the show. And let's see. After this candle, we're gonna see if we can get this camera on streaming live. But however, we're here to just focus on the charts, right? Let's just see how it looks on the channel. Okay, you can't really see the 1 hour chart. I might have to remove the branding. But it should be okay. It should be okay. I mean, we're focused on the 15-minute chart here, where the buyers are pushing to 2889. I mean, look, they're finishing strong in the last minute or so, and we're looking into the next 15-minute window, and from there we can see where the power the buyers have here, man. So at the end of the day, look at this. We're currently in the new 15-minute window, and we'll be back right after this. Welcome to Gold Zone, presented by Springstar World, and I'll be back after after the break. Okay, here we are. Currently, welcome back to Gold Zone, presented by Springstar World. Currently 121 here. Price is currently sitting at 2889 in the 15 minute. 2889 on the XAU dollar chart. Anyone tuning in for the first time, thank you. Welcome, hello, my friends. Buyers are showing us a lot of strength in this hour on this hour chart here. I'll be honest right now, my eyes, the lights in this gym is way too bright, man. Way too bright on this. I'm definitely gonna order some sunglasses and a hat because this sun is. These lights are too bright, man. It's 1:20 in the morning and these lights are just on. Can you believe that? That's just my little rant right now. That's my little rant on a Monday. I just had to get it out there, man. Just had to get it out there. Oh crap! Bloody bright here, man. It's bright right here, man. So we're here. Thank you, man. Thank you. Now currently we're sitting at 288. Now the buyers are really showing that energy on the chart. We're here, man. On the chart, currently sitting at the 2888 mark. I mean, can we get this to 2889 right here on Gold Zone? And the key here isn't just straight. The key is all about taking action where we can. I mean, look, you can see clearly on where I've been able to take action on the most moments, right? So that's really the key here. You know, look, if we're looking at the hour chart, I mean, and if we just look at the position I put in, I'll be honest, where I put this position at the 2892 mark, I'll tell you now, it's currently getting to them stages, man. It's currently getting to them stages here on Gold Zone. I mean, buyers are starting to show a little bit of dominance. The sellers are starting to bring that price back. They're going back and forth right here, back and forth. I mean, obviously, if we switch it to the 5 minute chart, we can see clearly in detail on what is happening here. But on the 15 minute chart, we know what's occurring there. We know obviously if you're out here studying the charts and researching and giving and doing that effort, putting that time in. Currently sitting at 2889, and we can see the sellers and buyers battling out just to take control on this 15-minute candle here on the right hand side. We're gonna still focus on the 15-minute channel. We still got the dual screen on the hour. We have not forgotten about the hour chart, so please don't forget about it. However, main focus is on the 15-minute chart on the right hand side. On the right hand side, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. Okay, this is current pricing sitting at 2889 as well, and then damn, and then yeah, man, 2888 is where it's at right now. I mean, look, the sellers are starting to push, show that strength, show that energy right here after a strong 15-minute session from the buyers. And this is what the sellers do well, man. This is what how the sellers they can take control at any moment of time, right? So you may think, okay, the buyers are showing a lot of pressure early on this candle. They're showing a lot of domination here, but then they hit those high prices, and it starts to retrace back down just because the sellers are starting to show that little bit of fight, show that little bit of energy here on the chart, and that's what's occurring at the moment right now, right? That's what's occurring right now on this chart. I mean, look, we're here on Gold Zone, seeing it live, where the sellers are starting to battle it out. We've got about 5 minutes left on this 15-minute window. We're not even finished yet. We're almost halfway through on the hour chart here, sitting at 2887. Sellers are showing that little bit of fight, showing that little bit of energy here, trying to bring that price right back down to where it started off. But look, I mean, for me, if you were going to ask me which side I choose between the sellers and the buyers, I mean, here, I'll be honest, I'm just focused on the price going up because gold is very, very valuable, right? So, but here, I'm not here trying to give you when to. I'm not gonna give you my opinions. I want to hear you guys' opinions. So leave a comment, get involved in the chat. Like I said earlier, what is your vision? What is your mission? That is the focus for this week. What is your vision? What is your mission? Get that written down. What is the vision? What is the mission? What is the vision? What is the mission? That needs to be your daily affirmation this week, your daily focus point. Your mind has to focus on what is the vision, what is the mission, right? What is the vision? What is the mission? You've got to know what it's about. You got to know it. You got to write it down. You can share it into the chat. Make it accountable. Let the others know as well on what is your vision, what is your mission, and that's what we focus on all week here on Gold Zone. I mean, it's a fantastic Monday. So this week, be blessed that you have the opportunity to on this gold chart to get involved in here. And obviously, if you do want to get involved, please make sure to contact your financial advisor, have that support system around. It's all good. It's all good having the vision, having the mission. However, it's even more important to have that support system around you. Get get the find the best financial advisor you know that they can support you on this XAU journey, on this gold journey here on Gold Zone. I mean, look, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, go and subscribe on Gold Zone and here because the buyers are starting to take that little bit of pressure off the sellers. Currently sitting at 2889 here on the chart, man. Oh my gosh, 2890. That is a straight, yeah, that is straight domination, man. A straight domination, bringing that price up. I'm gonna have to give someone a call right here and just see. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Goodness me, man. Welcome along. Currently sitting at 2890. We're on the 2 hour chart. Let's post the story right quick. Um, post. Let's see. There we go. Next. Yeah, so the buyers are starting to push on in the last 2 minutes. People, let's share, copy link. There's a link. Yes, the buyers are starting to push that price right back up to 2890 in the last minute or so. I mean, this hour has been a dominant hour from the buyers uh, on gold zone right here. And look, I'm just trying to I'm just trying to share this image. I can add a link. That'll be grateful. Oh, the screen is off the screen. Oh my gosh, the screen's off. Okay, cool, we back. 2891. Currently sitting at 2891, man. 2891 here on Gold Zone. Let's just get this. Oh crap. We can share this on Twitch, man. I mean on TikTok. How can I share it on TikTok? I know I can share it on Snapchat. Over TikTok, I'm trying to share it on there. How do you even add the link? Can you even add links on TikTok? On the story? Can you add links? Can you add links? Is this something that it does not do? Let's just see. Let's just see. Add yours. Oh wait. Okay, cool. We're currently halfway through into the day. Halfway through into the. I might have to share this on. Yeah, let me share this real quick. Let's just see. Okay, cool. Now, yes, we are shared. Okay, we shared it now. 2890. Buyers are starting to show that dominance here. I mean, look, like I said earlier about sellers can easily push the price down at any moment. The buyers are able to show that dominance early on. Again, I mean, halfway through, if we just start to look at the, hour chart on the left hand side. I mean, look, I know the logo, the branding is covering it up, but we can still see pricing at 2891, and we can still see the buyers starting to push that price right back to where it can go. I mean, that's what it's all about. It's all about taking it to places it can go, right? And it can touch the 2900. It is going up to the 2892 here on the channel. I mean, look, we're currently in the. I know the stream did not start at midnight at 12. However, we are little bit late. We are never gonna be late to the gold, man. We can't be late to the gold, man, and that's the way. Currently sitting at 2894 on the 15-minute chart. We're actually price is currently sitting. Buyers are starting to show that little bit of energy here, show that little bit of juice and power. That they have this. I mean, it's easy to start. It's easy to focus on the growth, man. I mean, we're seeing the sellers starting to a little bit activate themselves again, activate themselves up the 2893 mark, starting to push that price right back down to where my other position where I put it. However, look, the pricing is currently sitting at 2893 on the chart. Let's just see. This, yeah, man. Let's just see, man. Okay, cool. Sellers are, look, as you can see here, the sellers are starting to take control. Yeah, man. Right now I'm streaming. I'm streaming on my phone, the gold, man. So I sent you that YouTube. That's me. That's me on that channel, man. I sent you my YouTube right now. So yeah, man. I ain't sleeping, man. I'm in the gym, focusing on the gold, man. Cause you seen the price moving up, man. On a Monday morning, Money Monday, man. Okay, here we go. Sellers are taking over. They're showing that little bit of push here. Two eight nine one currently sitting out here on the channel here. I mean, we are presented by Springstar World. So thanks along. If you've been tuning in since the start of the stream, thank you. If you're still here, thank you a lot. I mean, look, we don't want to miss out on anything here. Currently sitting at the buyers were taking a lot of control here. 2892 is where we at currently right now. Just put this on airplane mode. Currently sitting at 2892. Just need to find out what my percentage is on. Okay, 23%. 2892 buyers are looking to show that consistent domination that they have shown over the past couple of weeks, and it's a fantastic. If you're witnessing with me right now, it's a fantastic moment as well. So, and look, the buyers, we're actually 5 minutes into the new 15-minute session, and obviously we're over halfway now into the hour chart, and this hour has been, if we're looking at the hour chart, it's been a straight ease for the buyers, man. I mean, we can clearly see pricing is just going to the 2894 mark. I mean, it is on a wave to the 2900. I mean, look, and I'm currently in the gym at the moment. Tomorrow, later today as well, but tomorrow the cameras will be on. The cameras will be on, and you'll be able to see my reactions. Currently, my smile, I have a smile on my face because, as you can see, the sellers aren't weak links, right? They're not here. The sellers don't play games here. They can push price right back down at any moment of time on this chart. However, the buyers just show that extra push and that extra determination to take it places where you may think it's over, but no, it's not, because the buyers are starting to take it to the 2894 price. I mean, on this hour chart, wow. I mean, it's great to witness on this Monday morning. I mean, we're not sleeping on a Monday. It's currently 1:30, 1:37 in the UK. Anyone in America tuning in, thank you a lot. I mean, we're currently on 10,000 views, so thanks a lot, man. 2895 on this 15-minute chart. Wow. And buyers are starting to show that little bit of energy over the past couple of hours, I would say. I mean, obviously, we're going to find out by the end of the day who's won the day, right? Who has won the day? Was it the buyers or was it the sellers? Straight up, we're going to find out by the end of the day. In fact, at 2 p.m. when I start streaming again, that's 9 a.m. Eastern in America, and that's 3 p.m. in Europe. We're going to find out who has started to win the day. And plus, by the way, during the daytime, if you want to have a chance to look at what's happening during the day, we have it covered here on Gold Zone. We are streaming all day, every day, during the week, so you don't get to miss a moment here on Gold Zone as well. So please make sure to subscribe, like the video, because the buyers are starting to touch the 2900 mark. I mean, 2895 currently sitting on, we're about 7 minutes left of the 15-minute session. I mean, if you're looking at the hour chart on the left-hand side as well, we're seeing this straight strength here, and taking it to levels where buyers are showing that confidence, and that's what it's all about. I look at this as sport, a little bit of sport. If anyone's looked into sport, enjoys sport, has played sport in their life, I mean, this is seen as a sport here itself. Like, buyers are taking over. I mean, they're showing that domination, they're showing that consistency that they show on these Monday mornings, right? They're showing that consistency, and that's what it's all about when you're trying to chase these victories, when you're trying to chase championships. Here, I mean, look, if you're looking for your own championship journey, tune into Gold Zone every day, because we're trying to take it to the championship zone. We're trying to take it to levels where we can win the Champions League, where we can show that energy, that fight, that determination to get things done. Because because the buyers are doing it right now, currently sitting at 2896 on this 15-minute window and on this chart on this overall day. So far, 2896 is a fantastic start of the week. I mean, look, this is a long week ahead. We've got a lot of trading sessions to go. We've got a lot of 15-minute sessions to look at and analyze over the past couple of days. So please make sure to tune in to Gold Zone every single day because we are here this week. It's going to be a fantastic week. I'm telling you right here, man. 2895 buyers are starting to lose that little bit of strength that they've shown early on. I mean, look, but we still have a couple of minutes now onto the chart to show that little bit of fight. I mean, sellers are starting to kick off their fight, man. Sure, I mean, showing that never give up attitude. That's what it is. But look, the buyers are still as strong as it as ever, touching that 2895 price on the window, and that's what it's about here. 5 minutes left of the 15-minute session, and before we head off for a little break, we're just gonna find out. Anyone in the comments, I just want to find out how long have you been focused on the gold chart? Is this your first time? Is this your second time? How many years? Is this your first week? Is this your second week? Is this your 10th year? Focus on the gold chart. I mean, look, if it is your 10th year, salute to you, man. 10 years into the game, 10 years into chasing the championships, 10 years into greatness, 10 years into growth and learning, man. It's a fantastic accomplishment that you have made as well. So, but if it's your first day, don't don't. But if it's your first day, you're on that step to chasing them championships, man. And that's what it is here on Gold Zone, man. We're all here trying to chase championships on this gold chart. So let's make sure that we can chase it together by leaving a comment, man. Share your journey, man. Make sure to know what is your vision, what is your mission, what is your vision, what is your mission. That is the daily affirmation here. And we'll be back right after this. Currently sitting at 2895. Buyers are showing that early lead on. And keep it here, man. This is the Gold Zone. Okay. We are back here, man. We're back here, and we're here. 1:45. We're currently in the last 50 minutes, and obviously you can hear this announcement. Apologies for this. This is just a generic gym announcement here on the chart. See if it's still charging. Got to make sure the phone is charging. But the sellers are starting to fight back, claw back the price, and where it went to earlier on today. I mean, look, we currently see that. Currently see that pressure showing off into the chart, man. Oh my goodness. Look at this early on pressure from the sellers on this 15-minute window. Showing a little bit of fight. This music is getting louder, man. Man. Wait, let's see. Yeah, this. Yeah, this music is loud, man. Hopefully the music isn't affecting these videos, man. Hopefully you can hear me clearly. I'm not trying to let you guys hear this music too tough because copyright and whatnot. Goodness me, man. Ah, no, you need a noise cancellation, them external noise cancellation earphones. But anyway, the sellers have shown that early pressure that they've shown. Currently sitting at 2893. I'm not charging. Fuck. Ah. Currently sit at 2893. We're into the last 15 minutes of the trading session on this hour. I mean, we're soon approaching the last hour of Gold Zone, presented by Springstar Saunas with Chase Lilo, Asanda David. Okay, with Lilo here. So, price currently at 2892 on this Monday, 147 here. It's approaching, it should be approaching, if my calculations are correct, uh, 9 p.m. in America, in New York. But we'll wait to see. And then, and that's really what it is here. But the sellers are starting to lose that steam here in the last, on this 15-minute chart. Buyers are starting to push back all of the price that's pushed on. I can't lie, I'm gonna have to move. This is way too loud, man. Let me just move. This is an inconvenience. Let's just see. On the treadmill. Yeah, they don't work here. See the chart. I'm gonna switch off notifications if I can. Okay, cool. Let's go. This is a 2894. I mean, look, the sellers have lost that steam, man. They've lost that steam early on in this 15 minutes. I mean, there's still a long time to go before 2 a.m. However, it's still a strong comeback from the buyers here. You know, we can still see red on the sellers on the chart, on the 15-minute chart. And we're actually gonna start to remove. Let's just, because we can still see the finish line on the hour chart. So we're gonna just remove the hour chart for the next 10 minutes or so. We're just gonna focus on the 15-minute chart. If we can just, I can just get this. Let's just go in, just see what I can do. Um, dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Let's switch it back to that. Let's switch that. Okay, but there we go. Well, that looks good. Yes, we're currently on a 15-minute chart here on Gold Zone on the Chase Lalo page. Buyers have started to show that pressure early on. Okay, I mean this has been a strong hour for the buyers. This has been a fantastic hour for the buyers. And what we have here, man, it's straight up, man. It's straight up domination on this hour, man. Look, the buyers are starting to take control of what happened over the past couple of days, letting the past forgetting about the past, focusing on the future, focusing on the present moment. And in this present moment here, their vision is to bring that price to that 2900 mark. Can it touch the 2900 mark during the day? That is what we have to see, and that is what we have to focus on Gold Zone here. I mean, please make sure to subscribe. We're into the second hour. Okay, we're into the second hour of the channel, of the stream. So if anyone's still here, thank you for tuning in on this Monday morning, on this Sunday night in America. I mean, thank you for all the views. Thank you for the 10,000 views on the channels, on the different channels as well. So in total, we have 30,000 views tuning in to Gold Zone tonight. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot, everyone here. We're currently live in the gym as well. So we are currently outside, IRL, live in the gym. Obviously, the camera will be on in the next stream as well. So please stay locked in. I mean, I'm gonna tell you this on a personal note. I'm definitely getting some sunglasses next time I'm in the gym, because these lights are as bright as a feather, as bright as the sun, as if we're in the resort on the beach here in the UK. However, price from the buyers currently at 2895. Okay, 2895. Can it touch the 2896 mark before 2 a.m.? We will see, as the buyers are starting to lose that little bit of pressure here. I mean, we're gonna switch it back to the out. We're gonna switch it to the hour chart at the start of the next session. We're just gonna focus on the hour chart. Okay, after the next session for the next 15 minutes, and then, but looking at that, it's currently at 2896, trying to grow that price back up to where it's at. Okay, and that's really what the focus point is. That's really where we want to take it here on the channel as well, man. Yes, and here we go here in the channel, man. Thanks a lot for tuning in to Gold Zone, man. We're back into the charts, man. 2896 is where we are currently at. I mean, the buyers are really showing that strength. I mean, anytime sell it. Look, at the end of the day, like I said, in sports ain't easy. You know, you're always gonna have the competition, you know, take advantage of moments. They're gonna also take action. They're not gonna shy away from opportunities to win. However, when it comes to being the better team, being the better side, being the better squad, we're seeing here buyers are starting to show that domination, show what makes them better on these charts, on the XAU dollar chart. So that's really what it is. And the buyers are currently winning here so far. But look, the key is, it's not about how you start, it's about where you finish, and it's about the journey, right? It's about the process. It's about taking it to levels as well, taking it to levels where you have not reached, you know, leveling it up to a better moment. And that's really what it is here on the channel, man. Thanks. Okay, let's just highlight notifications. I mean, I'm still new to this Samsung, so I'm gonna switch off notifications during these streams as well, so we are uninterrupted here on the channel. But the buyers are at the 2895 mark. It's, I mean, they have stayed around that mark for the past couple of minutes here as well. So it just shows where the juice is starting to dry up, right? The juice is starting to dry up for the buyers. I mean, they've been sitting at the same price for the past 2-3 minutes here. So we can actually start to see the, the juice drying up, as you can say. But at the same time, we are closing on into that hour. So as you know, as we're closing as we're closing off this hour chart, right? We're almost entering a new hour into the day, a new hour onto the gold USD chart. At the end of the day, we're gonna see a little bit of pressure starting to, a little bit of domination starting to decline from the buyers as it starts to quiet up in the last couple of minutes here. However, look, it's still a win for the buyers on this 15-minute chart. I mean, we're gonna see if we can switch it to the hour chart real quick. Like I said, look at this. Switch up. Bam. We can see this strong domination from the buyers. Back to the 15-minute chart. 2895. Apologies for these announcements. If you can overhear it, apologies for these announcements here on the channel. And that's really what it is, man. And that's really what it is. Oh, okay. Oh my days. No way. Oh, and that's really what it is. Oh my goodness. And that's really what it is here on the channel. Here it is here on the channel here. Shit. That's crazy, man. On that size. Okay. However, welcome to Gold Zone 2895. Taking it there to the next level. Okay. We're currently almost into the last 2 minutes of the second hour. Okay, the buyers have shown straight domination in this hour. It's been a fantastic hour for the buyers. I mean, look, the next hour is even more important, right? The next hour is even more important. Where can the buyers take it next? And that's really what the mission is. Where can the buyers take it next? What do they have to do to show that fight, show that energy here on this Monday stream? I mean, come on, you know, before I'm starting, I'm always thinking about, okay, look, where do the buyers have to progress next? Can they push it back up to the 2943 mark? What will it take for the sellers to show that little bit of power, show that little bit of domination as well? Can they really show that juice that the buyers have been showing over the past couple of days, over the past hour? I'll say, can they really show that juice? However, the buyers are really showing that juice late on in the last 2 minutes. Currently sitting at 2896. We haven't even looked at what the percentage is as well on these charts here. But we will tune in, we will check it out right now. So we're currently sitting at 0.47% on the chart, 0.47%, 0.46 currently in the daytime session right now. Apologies for the sound as well. Currently sit at 2895. 4 beat chart, man. Currently, let me just see. Just, and then, yeah, but before we go into the last hour, we're going to switch it to the hour chart right now. I'll be back right after this. Obviously, if you can hear the background noise, apologies for that. We'll be back right after this. This is Goes On, presented by Springstar World as well. So thank you a lot. We'll be back right after this. Yo, stop saying that's your demo. That's your real account. Speak it into existence, man. That is your real account. Stop saying it's the demo. So currently saying at the 2894, this is the live account here. We're in the third hour, we're in the last hour of the chase that goes on presented by Springstar World. I mean, look, like I said earlier on, if you want to stay up to date on what's happening on the gold chart, please make sure to tune into the channel all day. The channel is live at all times during the week while the gold market is open on the channel. So please make sure to tune in during the time. Get involved, man. Leave some comments. We are here. You know, you get to hear, listen to some music, and look. At the end of the day, here, right on this channel here, we're not just here to just speak on the prices. We're here to just react to big things, right? That's happening to the world, because there are major things that gold gets involved with. You know, like for example, phones, cars, right? There's major materials, major products that we use where gold is involved, and that's what affects pricing as well. I mean, if you look at I'm not really big into the politics. However, politics also plays a factor around the world on what happens on these charts. So we're here to react to that as well. Look, we're not here to just commentate on the chart during this trading week. we will turn our attention to other major news that can affect our progress, can affect the buyer's performance as well as the seller's performance, because there's always a reason on why prices are currently moving the way they are. Nothing is a coincidence on this gold dollar chart. So it's always important to do that research, to get involved in that research, to commit to that research, and show that dedication to that research as well. And look, and if you are looking to invest and trade, please make sure, please make sure to speak to a financial advisor before you get involved. This is big thing, so please make sure you have that support system around you to give you that support, to give you that help, right? Because at the end of the day, with that support, you can only grow from there. So contact your local financial advisor. You know, make sure you have that team around you that can help you out, because you're never really alone. You can always access someone. There's always someone that you could speak to that can give you that support. And as long as you can trust them, they can take you to places where being alone won't. So get involved, chat to that financial advisor, get that support that you need before you start getting into the gold to US dollar charts on Gold Zone as well. So before we move on to this, currently price is sitting at 2894. We're actually on the 1 hour chart as well. So that's really what it is here as well. So currently sitting on the hour chart here in the 50-minute window, 2895 here. And that's really what it is here, man. As you can see, sellers are starting to juice up the chart. I call it. I mean, I'll find any adjective to use here on the Gold Zone, man. And they're starting to juice up the chart here. I mean, showing up that little bit of strength, showing up that little bit of fight, right? I mean, because anything could happen here on Gold Zone. We are presented by Springstar World, okay? So the site where you can grab any of your portable saunas that you can use at any time, after a gym session, after work, before taking your children to school, before going to bed. You can use it at any time. Go purchase the portable sauna today as well. And also, if you're looking into renewable energy, make sure to purchase one of the solar chargers. Link will be in the description. Purchase one of the solar power chargers today. You can use it for any device inside your house, outside your house, on the road. It comes with solar panels as well. So get involved, save a little bit of energy in your home as well. Try use as lot, try use as much renewable energy as well. It only helps out the future. It only helps out you guys, your the future generation as well. So get involved. Go purchase one of the solar chargers today. On the link is in the description. And currently we're sitting at 2894. The sellers are. And thank you a lot. Thank you for over 30,000 views right now on the chart as well. So that's really what it is. My mind taking it there, taking it places where we are going. This year is going to be a fantastic year for the gold. And now the sellers are starting to lose that steam here. We're back. Sellers are starting to lose that steam here. I'm live in the gym, streaming right in the gym here. Thank you for everyone here. Look, but the seller's currently sitting at 2895 on the chart. And that's really what it is, man. That's really what it is, man. Here on Gold Zone presented. We're currently, let's just zoom it into the, if we can just zoom in a little bit, and then we can go into details on what is occurring live. Okay, price is at 2895 here on the channel, and that's really what it is here. Look, buyers are just exiting, showing that a little bit. They're starting to see some consolidation here on the chart. However, as this is the last hour, or currently in the last couple of minutes, we're in the last hour of my presentation here on Chase Lalo on Gold Zone. We're just gonna switch it to the hour chart, and where we'll be able to see a lot more energy and see where the direction can start to lead today on this fantastic Monday. I mean, this is a fantastic Monday, right? You know, because this is where we can focus on our vision on that Monday. You know, it's another week of greatness here on the channel. The price is currently at 2896. Buyers are starting to show that little bit of energy in the last 2 minutes on this 15-minute window. We're still early on the hour chart. We're currently on the hour chart as well, on the gold dollar chart here. Okay, that's really what it is, man. Uh, it's the lights, man. The lights. Getting to me. These lights are getting to me, man. Oh, man. I'm gonna have to sit outside. These lights are getting to me. I'll be honest, I'm currently leaving the gym, but the price is currently at 2897 right now. We're about to enter next 15 minutes on this session. Yeah, I'm goes on. Yeah, these lights. I need to get a pair of sunglasses. 'Cause these lights are way too bright. It's 2 in the morning here in the UK, but these lights are as bright as if it's 2 p.m. Man, allow me, allow me, let me live with my eyes. Where's my padlock, man? I'm currently in the locker room right now, trying to find my padlock. This ain't it. Where the fuck is my padlock, bro? There we go. Just found the padlock. Okay. I did a little bit of walking. I didn't do any major training, but man, the lights, man, are too much for me at this moment of time. However, we don't let any sort of weakness get involved in our mission to succeed. So that's what we are. The sellers are starting to focus on their mission to get out of that little bit of weakness they were showing on the chart, and that's really what it is. Yeah. Out of here, man. Sorry for the language. Let's get out of here. Oh man. Next time for these lights, I'm getting some shades. Okay. Oh mate. Let's switch it back to the hour chart where we can see a little bit of progress and we can see a little good breakdown on what's happening. That's really what it is here. What could be happening currently? The chart is, let me just give you the percentages as well. Um, it's currently sitting at 0.45% so far for the day. And just currently sitting at 4.5% of the day. And across the road, currently on the field right now. Let's the bus is about to return right now. So yeah, 2896 is the price on this chart. And yeah, man, the buyers are showing that extra push that they need to show during these times. I mean, look, as we can see a little bit of volatility starting to decrease. But the sellers aren't able to capture on this opportunity where they can grow from there and win. Man, oh shit. My team stops here. And then yeah, man. 2895 sellers. Let's just switch it back to the 15-minute chart. Buyers have started to quiet down here on the chart, and then and what it is, it's just we, we call it the buyers just taking their foot off the accelerator, taking a step off the gas right at the moment, and the sellers are back in control. 2894. Can they bring it back down to the 2893 mark? Can the sellers show that little bit of push, that little bit of energy here, and take it back down? Ooh. However, sellers are starting to lose that little bit of fight here. On the charts. Oh my goodness. Sellers are starting to look. Oh wait, let's switch it to the 15-minute chart. We're actually you looking at the wrong chart. Now we can see really what is happening so far. The 2 sellers are currently at the 2894 price mark. I mean, I'm not here to predict on what's going to happen next. However, I'm just here to analyze what is happening now, right? What is happening now, and decide from there. Decide from there, man. Decide from there. Decide from there. Goodness me. Right now, I will be back right after this on Gold Zone. So keep it locked in. This Chase Lalo. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, man. It's probably gonna. The chart's probably gonna chill around. Yeah, you're right. Around 3 a.m. Obviously, the sellers might take control again, but I think the daytime is where it's at, man. What's gonna happen during the day? And yeah, I'm soon ending the stream in about half an hour, though. But yeah.
119. Two. Croydon Colonnades, Croydon Airport.
Apologies for the signal right now, man. The signal is starting to break up here. Apologies for this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're into the signal here is a little bit lost. Yeah, it's starting to cut out. We're just gonna we're just gonna until we can get this back. I will just switch to the home screen. I may have to stop sharing the screen for a second. I will be back. Technical difficulties. Okay, cool. Let's see if we're back here on the hour chart. Let's see if it's sorted. Okay, cool. Let's see if we're back here. Yes, it looks clear. Hour chart. Okay, it looks clear. It looks clear. Let's see if it's sorted. Let's clear from here. Thank you very much for that. Oh my gosh. It should be all sorted now. 2896 buyers are currently in control here. I mean, it's starting to lose a little bit of steam. This hour hasn't been as strong as the past hour. However, the buyers are still in control on the chart. And that's really what it is here. I mean, can the buyers really keep the pressure on the sellers here? And they have shown in this hour so far. I mean, if we switch it to the 15-minute chart, you can see a little bit of consolidation as well. You can see that little bit of consolidation as well on the chart. While the buyers start to push on to new heights. I call this the path to growth, entering that growth zone. And that's where you find the most opportunities here on gold zone. I mean, finding where the gold is, gold zone methods, and that's really what it is here, man. And we're into the last half an hour on the stream. So if you have tuned in since the beginning, thank you very much. Thank you for all that support. We're here trying to change the world, man. Show that championship fight. It's early in the year, almost the end of February, so we got to show that energy and show that life. The sellers are starting to lose that steam here, currently at 2897 as well on the chart. But we will be back right after this, making sure the signal is fine. Right after this, I'll be back. Well, we're back here on the 15-minute chart. as well. Back into landscape mode. We just zoom in. You can see the sellers. The sellers currently bringing the price right back down to 2895, and I mean, look, I'm not surprised that the sellers are starting to show that fight that they can show on the chart. I mean, at any time we're here, we always find these moments. You can always find these opportunities where the sellers can show that fight, because at any time, like I said earlier, do not sleep on these sellers. Do not sleep on the sell. When the sellers start to take control, they can really take control, right? And that's the reality of it. Sometimes they're bringing the price right back down to 2894 here on Gold Zone. And at the end of the day, we've just got to look at where price can go in the future, right? What's happening now, and see from there. I mean, look, because there's always times where there's always going to be other opportunities where you can get involved on the chart, whether it's the morning session, the day session, or the evening session. I mean, throughout the day, I mean, look, we've got a long week ahead. We have a long day ahead as well, man. Big movements can occur today, and that's what we're gonna see in the future. Big moves ahead, and later on, we will be streaming from 2 p.m. as well. So we're gonna see how it's shaping up in the afternoon, and we're gonna react to some videos, react to some news as well. There's more to Gold Zone than just the commentating on these charts. So lock in later on today, and if you want to keep up to date on what's happening on the charts, stay tuned, stay on this channel. We will still be online, okay? So thanks a lot for everyone tuning in, and thank you for everyone for staying up. The price is currently at 2894. We ain't done yet. We ain't done. Okay, this ain't over. Okay, it's never over, right? It's never over. Sellers are starting to take control over in this candle as well. So that's where it's at on the chart, and that's really how we can bring it here on the channel. So they're starting to take control. However, the buyers are starting to push that price right back up. Yeah, and it's no joke. It's no joke that they do it. It's no joke. So that's what it is here on Gold Zone. I mean, we're here. 2895 sellers starting to push on. However, the buyers are starting to push that price right back up on this 15-minute chart. I mean, you can see on the past 3 candles on the 15-minute chart that the sellers were able to push that price down. However, they weren't able to stay controlled over that time. However, if we just zoom out a little bit, we can see where the buyers can really push on from here as well and take it to that next level, take it to that steam, take it past higher notes. I mean, look, sellers are starting to lose that little bit of energy here. You just see what my percentage is. Don't want the phone to die. These last couple of minutes here on Gold Zone, and wow, it's a fantastic opportunity here. And we here on Gold Zone focus on strength, focus on the growth, right? Gold rhymes with growth. But on a serious note, the sellers have started to show that little victory, man. This is a small victory for the sellers. It's not convincing, however, it's still a victory on this candle, right? We're still 10 minutes left of this candle, so we'll see where it can end. But right now, the sellers are starting to win in this 15-minute candle at the moment. And that's what it's all about. Where and when can you collect these victories? Because these small victories mean a lot when it comes to the pricing, when it comes to the charts. So, at the end of the day, on this Monday morning, on this Sunday evening in America, there's always that opportunity. Hey, that's really what it is here. Opportunity of a lifetime. And right now, the sellers are starting to lose that steam here. Currently at 2896. Oh my gosh. 2897. Buyers are starting to show that energy, and we can see right here what we're talking about on this show. That look, you can never ever write off, right? The opposition. You can never ever write off the opposition. When you think that look, the sellers are going to take control, the buyers are back in it with a fight to bring that price right back up to the 2900 mark on the channel. I mean, we have to make sure that the screen is clear as well. I don't want anyone to miss out on this blurriness on the page. So we have to just double check the channel, make sure everything is crystal clear. So we have to just double check. Yes. Everything is crystal clear. 2897. The buyers are starting to push on. You can never ever sleep on the opposition. I mean, the opposition at any time, whether it's the buyers or sellers, can retake control and close out the candle at any moment. All right, pricing is touching the 2898 mark. I mean, can the buyers take on to the 2900? We will see, man. We will actually see, because we have about 7 minutes left on this candle, on this 15-minute window. And let's just bring up, okay, it is currently at the 2898 mark. Can they push it back to can they push it up to 2900? We'll see. And that is what we're talking about here. When at any time on these charts, we can clearly see opposition's never given up, never given in to what is currently happening. And at any moment of time, you can always count on, right, the buyers to get involved, no matter what. You can always count on the sellers to get involved. So the sellers shown that fight early on, however, they weren't able to really complete the mission in this candle. And the buyers are really back in front, trying to collect this little victory as well. This another victory into this window here, the chart. And we'll be back for the last 50 minutes of gold zone right after this short break. So we'll be back and we'll see where this finishes off. Hey, how's it? You're still awake? Why? Huh? Oh. So, I need that light. Move the light on. And we are back. We are back on the charts right here. This is the last 15 minutes of Cold Zone, by the way, on flying up. We're going to switch to the hour chart as well. We can clearly see where the strength in numbers is happening. Currently touching the 2900 mark as well. That's the thing. Oh my gosh, man. And we are back again. The last couple of minutes here on this 15-minute window, on this hour chart, on the channel. Man, we may have to play some music. Let's see if we can get the music going on. Background. A little bit. Let's see if we can play some tunes. Yeah. Welcome along back. This is Gold Zone presented by Springstar World. I mean, we're currently closing on the last hour on the chart, and over the past 3 hours, it has been a straight domination by the buyers. I mean, taking to prices we've seen before, and pushing that price right up, man. It's a pleasure for everyone who has tuned in over the past 3 hours. We will be streaming later on from 2 p.m. So please make sure to keep that locked in, right? As the day is a strong Monday. It's a strong Monday out here. So please make sure to get involved. I mean, follow the channel. Make sure to subscribe as well. Like the videos and get involved with the comments. And that is the number one key here. Get involved with the comments. Get involved. Keep it active here. This is Gold Zone here, presented by Springstar Saunas. And look, at the end of the day, we all here to enjoy our time here on Earth. Here, the gold, because the gold is going to take us places in 2025. So keep that locked in. I mean, we're going to focus on the last 3 minutes of this hour window. Price, the buyers have taken control here at the 2898 mark. We will be back at 2 p.m. UK time, 3 p.m. EU, and 9 a.m. USA time. So please make sure to get involved in Gold Zone. Follow the channel, switch on the notifications, and we will be back at 2 p.m. today. As well as that, price is currently at 2898 for the final session. But if you've tuned in since the stream has started, thank you a lot here. This is going to be a fantastic moment for all of us, and we are here to witness it live. So thank you along. This has been Chase Lalo. Go and subscribe, and please make sure to stay alert, because today is going to be a fantastic Monday, man. We'll be back later on. And for now, take care. Goodbye.